to the Secretary of Justice. Then he will make his findings and refer the matter to the Executive Secretary. And the Executive Secretary will make the final recommendation to me. Yung ginawa ni Panelo, it is not his fault that he was lawyering yan eh. Hanap buhay namin yung mga, you cannot question that. And if he happens to be there because I appointed him, nagdumating sa kanya, in-refer niya sa the proper entity. Yun nga yung board. Panelo did not commit any infraction or he happened to be a lawyer at the time. Nobody can question. Kaming mga abogado, kagaya ninyo, when it is part of your duty or function sa amin, lawyering,